Hey there, friends. Jeff Fritz here, and I want to talk to you about Grape City's award-winning .NET products. They provide enterprise software developers with the tools they need to overcome the challenges of modern software development. With over 40 years of experience, Grape City's experts anticipate the needs of the market and offer the industry's best support. ComponentOne provides a comprehensive set of tools and components that assist enterprise developers in building applications. ComponentOne offers a wide range of UI controls, including grids, charts, gauges, calendars, input controls, and more. These controls are highly customizable and provide rich functionality, enabling developers to create modern and interactive user interfaces. The suite includes powerful data visualization controls that allow developers to present data in visually appealing and meaningful ways. With charts, graphs, and gauges, developers can display data trends, comparisons, and insights, making it easier for their end users to interpret and analyze information. ComponentOne's FlexGrid is a feature-rich data grid control for displaying and manipulating tabular data. It offers advanced sorting, filtering, grouping, and editing capabilities, along with flexible customization options. The FlexGrid control helps developers create responsive and high-performance data grids for managing large data sets in their applications. ComponentOne also includes various productivity tools to accelerate the development process. These tools range from data connectors and wizards to design time support and project templates. They help developers save time and effort by simplifying common tasks and providing ready-to-use components and utilities. ComponentOne also provides a set of UI controls specifically designed for Blazor applications. These controls are built on top of Blazor's component model, ensuring seamless integration and efficient performance within your Blazor projects. By leveraging these tools and many others from ComponentOne, developers can enhance productivity, save time, and deliver high-quality web and Blazor applications to their users. A powerful reporting tool, ActiveReports.net, allows developers to easily and quickly integrate comprehensive reporting capabilities into their own applications. ActiveReports.net includes a feature-rich report designer that allows developers to visually design and customize reports. With a drag-and-drop interface, developers can easily create complex report layouts, define data sources, and apply formatting options. The designer supports a wide range of report elements, such as tables, charts, images, and sub-reports, enabling developers to design highly flexible and informative reports. ActiveReports.net natively supports many different data providers, including OLEDB, JSON, XML, and more, while also extensible for custom data providers. Developers can easily connect to their data sources and retrieve data to populate reports. The tool provides a unified data model that allows developers to combine data from multiple sources and perform advanced data manipulations, such as sorting, filtering, grouping, and aggregating. ActiveReports.net offers flexible report output options, so developers can generate reports in popular formats like PDF, Excel, Word, HTML, and more. This flexibility allows end users to consume reports in their preferred format and enables seamless integration with other systems or applications. ActiveReports.net supports interactive reports, which enable end users to interact with the report data. Developers can include features such as drill down, drill through, sorting, filtering, and parameterized reports, allowing users to explore and analyze data at different levels of detail. This interactivity enhances the usability and value of the reports. ActiveReports.net seamlessly integrates with web and Blazor applications. It provides flexible development and deployment options, enabling developers to embed reports into their applications or expose them as standalone reporting services. ActiveReports.net includes libraries and components that can be easily integrated into web or Blazor projects, allowing developers to generate and display reports within their applications. By leveraging its rich features and integration capabilities, developers can provide users with valuable insights and analysis, enhancing the overall functionality and user experience of their web and Blazor applications. Both ComponentOne and ActiveReports.net provide comprehensive documentation, including guides, samples, and API references to assist developers in using the tools effectively. Additionally, Grape City offers technical support services to address any questions or issues that developers may encounter during the development process. Visit grapecity.com to learn more and get started with a 30-day free trial and resources. And a big thank you to the folks at Grape City for supporting today's workshop.